Hi, I'm Doug, and I'll be showing you this informational webinar on Nutrition Maker software. Nutrition Maker is designed for dietitians, nutritionists, and other related wellness professionals. This program is great for working with clients in person or online. Our software will help you provide meal plans, complete with recipes and shopping lists, as well as track nutritional tests and provide informational handouts or issue questionnaires. Your clients will be able to access their plans on their web portal or by using our free phone app. Over the next few minutes, we'll show you all the basics of the program. So let's get started. This is the main screen for Nutrition Maker. On the left, you can access settings and other administrative tasks, as well as gain access to all your clients. If you open up a client record, it will take you to the main overview screen. Here you can see a history of messages, your client's goals, upcoming activities, any questionnaires, both completed and incompleted, that your client may have had issued to them. You can see tests for body fat and body weight. Under nutrition, you can see their current weight, their target weight, and any meal plans that they've been issued. You can also put in notes that pertain to this client, assess your client type, and at the very bottom you can manage automated emails, normative values, and any notification messages that might pertain to your client. And please note that you can view the client portal as a client. Let's take a look at the nutrition aspect. Over to the left, simply open up the nutrition drop-down list, choose Nutrition Info. This is where you can choose custom nutrition balances for your client. You can enter their weight, their target weight, choose their activity level, decide a weight loss or gain goal by a date or by number of pounds per week, and Nutrition Maker will automatically do the calculations for you on how many calories they should be taking in per day. Then you simply drop over to the Meal Plan tab. Here you can view any meal plan. You can also print it. Meal plans do come with a summary sheet. They include all the meals as well as recipes and shopping lists. You drag the meals over. You can pick one or multiple. You can edit meal plans, you can create new ones, or simply issue the meal plan as it is. Once the meal plan has been issued, Nutrition Maker will keep a complete history of it down below. Here you can edit the meal plan, view it, copy it, delete it, and make it a template or do an analysis on it. The next area to look at are tests. We do provide a variety of tests. You can also view test results. Many tests will come with the result, the client's goal, and a normative value where appropriate. You can also issue informational handouts to your clients, and you can provide them with questionnaires as well. Other features include the ability to upload client documents, create goals, assign goals, issue payments, send personal messages, and other items like that. Another exciting aspect of Nutrition Maker is the ability to create a master template. A master template is a protocol or a plan that can include appointments, handouts, meal plans, messages, questionnaires, and test assignments. You can do that all with just a couple clicks of the mouse, and it makes providing nutritional consults fast and easy. There's also an entire administration area where you can update your logo on your facility. You can create your own messages, establish client types, set your appointment types, access your account information, and other aspects of your nutrition business. The goal of Nutrition Maker is to make your job easier, more efficient, and provide you with a professional appearance for your business. We encourage you to sign up for our free 2-week trial. There's absolutely no obligation and no credit card required. If you have any other questions, feel free to contact us by email or by phone. We thank you for taking the time to learn about Nutrition Maker.